Hi, this is Marco from Cuscen, and today we'll be going over the purchase and sales modules. To begin, we'll be going into the purchase receipt and creating a purchase receipt. Purchase receipts are crucial and very important because they help with financial tracking and inventory management. And as you can see, they also provide a record of all the goods and services purchased, ensuring that every transaction is documented, and this helps verify that received items are coming in against the orders. So it's tracking expenses and maintaining accurate financial records. And this is good for budgeting and auditing purposes. And it's as simple as clicking add purchase at the top here. And then from there, we're going to select the supplier. So for example, purposes will be doing general supplier. From there, we can add whatever you like. For this example, I'll be adding beer cans. I'll be adding a random amount just for example purposes. And as you can see, the system can calculate the totals and quantities. From there, we'll click submit. And as you can see, it'll appear on the main screen. Not only that, it'll be reported within the reports tab. So all we have to do is go down into reports. And then from there, we'll go into inventory and we'll go into inventory in and out. And as you can see, it is reflected within the inventory in and out. As you can see down here, our beer cans and the amount that we added. And again, oh, sorry, that's not the right one. And if you go to it, you can just open it up and you can see an image as well as a barcode and a QR code that you could scan and use for your convenience and access on the mobile app. Now we'll be going into people and we'll be looking at customers here. And as you can see, these are all our different active customers. So for example, we have Mr. John, we have walking customers and so forth. And the reason we'll be looking at this is because we're going to apply it in the sales orders. So for this example, we'll be using Mr. John, and then we'll go into sales, sales order, add sales order, select customer, Mr. John. Then we can select a salesman. We can put whatever we may need for the ordered items. So for this example, we'll be doing the beer cans. And again, we'll just be doing a random amount. And from there, we can click submit and add. And then from there, sales orders was successfully added. So if we go back into sales order here, and then we look for hours within here. So we'll search through. And then we'll go. And then as you can see, it appears up here at the top. And then from there, we'll be going into deliveries. And then we'll be clicking add delivery. And we'll be selecting a sale. So for this example, we'll just be selecting a random sales reference. So this one will be Waters and Fanta. And then from there, we can click submit. And it says delivery has been successfully added. And at the right-hand side, you have the ability to print an invoice of your delivery. And we can also go back. And you have the ability to view your delivery details as well. And you can also create a sale from your delivery as well. So you can go back into sales order and create a sale, or you can go into actions and click create sale. And from there, you can add your information again with your customer, Mr. John, and you can input your products. And at the bottom, all you have to do is click submit for it to save, and that'll appear back into the sales invoice. And the reason sale order deliveries are so important is because they're essential for basically maintaining customer satisfaction, and it's good for operational efficiency. And it also confirms that the product ordered by the customer is delivered on time and in good condition. So this process basically ensures that you can meet customer expectations and streamline the logistics. And now that we're in the sales invoices, it'll appear here. And the reason the sales invoices are vital is because it's good for tracking your revenue and financial health. And it also serves as an official documentation of the sales transaction. So it details the product as well as the quantity, prices, payment terms, and the invoices ensure that the customers are built correctly, and it also allows for just a smooth cash flow and accurate financial reporting and overall compliance with everything. As you can see here, it's easy to access and easy to see, and you can print your invoices as well as edit them, mail them out, add payments as well. So if we click add payments here, and then we can do the amount it's for. So in this example, 450. And then you can choose how you're paying it. So in this example, we'll just do cash by hand, but you can also add your banking information and so forth. And you can click add payment there, and then it'll appear as paid on the payment status. Thank you for listening to my demonstration on the workflow of using the purchase, sales, and customers. This is Marco from Cuscen.